What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change your air filters on your Maserati Ghibli. Now this is a 2018 model. There are two air filters on the engine, one here and one on the other side, and there's also a cabin air filter that filters the air coming inside to the car. So your engine air filters, you want to replace these periodically. They do get dirty, and to do so it's really easy. You undo 1, 2, 3 clips, and here's a close-up of those clips. We simply just take a flathead, pry up on those. That will loosen up the air filter box. 2, and 1 back here. Boom. So there you go. 3 removed. This lifts right up. We want to be careful when this lifts up. We want to loosen these plastic tabs. Take our flathead screwdriver, just pry those down like that. All right, so once those are pushed in, lift up on this air box cap, pull it up, and it's as simple as that. We just lift it up. This is the original filter part here. I'll also go ahead and leave a link down below to the filter. You just pop in a new one. It's a little dirty here. I'm gonna go vacuum this real quick. And once we have our new filter, we just sit it right on there. Make sure it is sitting on there properly. And then we're gonna reinstall this air cap. We wanna make sure we stick this point into here first and then line everything up. So I went ahead and also removed this piece here to show you guys what I'm talking about. This piece here needs to hook on to that piece right there. And once that is hooked on, you can make sure that this is all sealed up and sitting on there properly. And if that is the case, we'll go ahead and lock our tabs in. We want to line this thing kind of bumped out of position here. We line this up so that this white part is right there. Also, when you reinstall everything, you want to make sure these are all lining up. If something doesn't look like it's lining up properly, take it back apart and then put it back together. Everything should line up so that there are no breaks in the seal. All right, so the cabin air filter is located right here. We lift up on this tab here, another one here. Take that piece off. And once we're down here, you'll see there's a little metal piece right there. It's kind of hard to see, one right there. Basically pull up on it like so. That reveals a cap. And we pull that cap back, and this is the air filter for the cabin air filter. This is the original Maserati part number right here as well. And I will leave a link down below. To reinstall, we simply just put it back in there. Make sure the airflow is pointing towards the car, into the car. And then we see that little area there. Make sure that is clicked into place, as well as this one here. 2 clicks, very nice. Now we're gonna put the top cap back on. Make sure that clicks into place, as well as that one. All right, so there you guys go. Everything you need to know on how to change the air filters on your Maserati Ghibli. If you guys do have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know if you guys think it's worth it. A couple $100 at this dealership to do. The oil change is $600 at my dealership. So I can only imagine the air filters are probably somewhere similar to that. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. I appreciate you guys for watching. Check out my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.